Hello friends, welcome to Jobbers. Today I am going to explain the topic partial approximate k nearest neighbor queries with location and query privacy. It means preserving a location privacy and search a query privacy for the location based search users. When a user using a k nearest neighbor query search, so the major problem is location based search offers a variety of service based on a uses location information like location search, route planning, and location based search advertisement. By using location based search may reveal the user's private information, and it is also possible to estimate where exactly the user is present. So this is the major issue when a location based search uses continuously using a location based search. The KNN queries means here in this paper we are mainly focused on how to preserve a location based search uses location privacy and their query privacy or the exact location of a users. Let's see a small example. When a user of a location based search want to search a restaurant nearby his location by sending query to location based service provider, while sending search query to service provider, first it will do the double hashing of a query and user's location will be sent to the location based search provider over the Wi-Fi communication. Based on user location, it will extend distribution level. It means if a user location is leaf node, then it will extend the range up to the root level to get the location, so that location provider cannot able to estimate the user's location. From root level, it will list out all the restaurants and encrypt all the restaurant details and send to the users to decrypt the restaurant list by using RSA algorithm. To develop this application, we are going to use MVC architecture, Model View Controller. According to this paper, we have developed the project by using Eclipse IDE. This application consists of three servers: admin and user server. This is a main application, and this is admin application, and this is server side. In the main application, in CSS folder, we are going to design the CSS designs of the application. To run this application, we are going to use Tomcat server. Start the Tomcat server. Go to the browser. Type localhost :8080. Click on Tomcat Manager. Select the main application. Here we are using two servers, one is admin and one more is a user. Now log in with admin. Type admin and password as a admin. Login. This is a home page of the admin. Here the admin can view all the menus. Location. The admin has to give the location name, and he has to select the To get the location coordinates, click on the Google map. The map is loaded. Click on the location, close the Google map and select the route level. Now add the location. The location is added successfully. The admin can edit the location and he can delete the location also. Content provider. The admin will provide all the contents and he will maintain all the contents. Use the keyword. Example like ATM, hotel, hospital, college, and schools. Add the contents. The content is added successfully. Now postings. In postings you can add the queries. Give a keyword. Select the location. Give a content of the post. Now post it. Key. Based on daily we can generate the key. Change password. Logout. Now log in with the user. First create a new user. Give a username. Now log in. Select the user's location. Login. The user can view his details. Search a location. Click on a KNN search. Click on submit. Point the search. You can view the nearby locations based on the point search. Edit profile. Change password. and log out. So finally we are preserving a search query and user location privacy will be secured over a location based search. Thank you.